You tap Play Sound in Find My, and the AirTag stays silent. Here are 6 fixes in order, from a quick range check to a full repair. Fix 1. Move closer. Play Sound uses Bluetooth, not UWB, and the limit is roughly 100 feet. Get within 30 feet of the last known location and try again. If it chimes, range was the issue. Fix 2. Replace the battery. A weak CR2032 can silence the speaker before Find My shows any warning, and typical battery life is about 12 months. Swap in a fresh one, wait 10 seconds, then try Play Sound again. Fix 3. Force quit Find My. The app sometimes gets stuck, and sound commands never fire. Swipe it away, reopen it, then wait 15 seconds for it to reconnect before you try again. Fix 4. Restart your iPhone. A full restart clears Bluetooth stack issues that force quitting can't touch. Power off, wait 30 seconds, then restart and test Play Sound again. Fix 5. Remove and re-add the AirTag. Remove the item in Find My, then pair it again to reset the Bluetooth bond. Heads up, this also clears your location history. Fix 6. Sound pending just means the AirTag is out of range, not broken. The chime fires when your iPhone gets close. Still silent at 10 feet on a fresh battery? That points to speaker damage. Silence solved. For the speaker test and the 50% louder AirTag 2, the full guide is on HotAirTag.com.